Good evening, students. I'm making this video on January 17, 2023. Before I start with this video, let me tell you this video is relevant for both CA Inter as well as for CA Final students. And this is all about the upcoming CA Final and CA Inter Study Supervision Examination batches. My dear students, this time we are going to make available this batch not just at the central office but also at all our branches that are located at Guntur, Vijayawada, Hyderabad, Vizag, Nellore, Tirupati, and of course Rajahmundry and Kurnool as well. And we call these batches as post-results study and revision examination batches, otherwise popularly called as SHRE batches, SHRE, study and revision examination batch. Earlier, we have started a batch by name pre-results study and revision examination batches, and that is totally different, and this is totally different. Batch is called as post-results study and revision examination batch. And before I continue, I request the students community to kindly go through the video till the end. There are many important issues which I have discussed which I'm going to discuss at the end of the video. There are many important issues which I'm going to discuss at the end of the video. And I also request the students to kindly share this video with your friends and do subscribe our YouTube channel if you haven't done it till now. Let me continue, students. As I just told you, we are going to start this batch on January 18, 2023, and our services up to April 30, 2023. So why is it so? I'll tell you. See, at least 20 to 25% of the students, they are opting for a different examination center other than Guntur. Say, for example, you are taken admission at Guntur campus central office, and you may opt for a different examination center which is located other than at a place called Guntur. In such a case, we don't want to charge the fees up to May 20, 2023. So we decided to charge the fees from all the students of CA Inter or CA Final only up to April 30, 2023. And if interested, by making a nominal payment of 1000 or 1500 rupees, you may continue till the completion of the examinations, which will be up to middle of the month or May 20, 2023. So the services that we are going to offer will be little more than 3 months. Approximately, it will be 3 months, 12 days. And my dear, the first examination is going to be on January 26, 2023. And alternatively, if at all, if you don't want to attend these examinations in offline mode, you can even attend these examinations in online mode. Otherwise popularly called as mastermind test series. Otherwise popularly called as mastermind test series, which is available separately for CA Inter and as well as for CA Final. And the fee that we are charging for these online batches is 6,000 rupees in case of both the group students and 5,000 rupees in case of single group students. As well-wisher, as a well-wisher, please assume me as your father or you please assume me as your elder brother. As a well-wisher, as a senior chartered accountant, as a senior academician, I suggest the students of CA Final or CA Inter to go for only offline batches. And online should be the last resort. Online revision examination should be the last resort. And my dear students, at least some of you might have seen the poll results that I have conducted in Mastermind's YouTube. The question that I raised is of online services. I repeat, the question that I raised is online services a major reason for your failure either at CA Inter or CA Final? Majority of the students have stated that online revision exams or online coaching classes is one of the main reasons for the failure in the recent CA Inter or CA. So I just told you, as a senior academician having a relation of more than 25 years with this course called CA or CMA, I advise the students to go for only offline batches but not to online batches. See, I cleared my CA examinations in 2002, and recently I completed my 21 years of experience or association with. As a student of CA course, I have another 4 years of association in total. My association with this course is more than 25. So based on my past experience of more than 25 years, I advise the students to go for only offline but not online. My dear students, every year, thousands of students will be attending the study and revision examination batches either in online or in offline, either for CA or CMA courses in Mastermind. Mastermind test series is now a household name. Masterminds Test Series is a household name for many students of CA and CMA courses. Please do remember that we are not just the pioneers in conducting the revision examinations, but we are also the national leaders in conducting the revision examinations at all levels of CA and CMA courses. My dear students, for the upcoming batches, we do have both boys and girls hostel facility at Guntur, and we have girls hostel facility at Vijayawada, Tirupati, as well as Hyderabad. And you may please call our helpline number 9885125001 and 03 for more details. For more details. Okay, let me have an interesting question. So, what are the services that you are going to offer if we take an admission into masterminds for study hours and revision examination batches, either for CA Inter or for CA Final? Yes, there are good number of services that we are offering. The first one is immediately after taking the admission within 1 or 2 days, you will be given the schedule, the macro schedule containing the topics to be covered or the chapters to be covered on day-wise basis. From day one to the last day, day one should you will be given then the chapters to be revised or the chapters to be covered in your revision on day one, day two, day three, day four, like such. You'll be given the schedule on upfront basis containing the chapters to be revised from first day to the last day. That is one value addition to take admission for study and examination batch. Next one, we will conduct the study hours and revision examinations. Sorry, we will conduct the study hours in physical mode from morning 8 a.m. to night 9 p.m. subject to small breaks, and of course subject to lunch break as well. And we will conduct the revision examinations on weekly twice basis, including the single group students. Including the single group students, we will be conducting the examinations on weekly 12 twice basis. And if I'm right, your revision examinations will be on Thursday and as well as on Monday. And immediately after completion of the revision examination, you will be given suggested answers so that you can have a self-evaluation. You can have an evaluation on yourself. You can have a self-assessment. That is the best kind of assessment. That's the best kind of valuation. So within 2 weeks or 3 weeks of after completion of the examination, we do the valuation of your answer sheets and we give a valuation report to all the students, including the online mode students. I repeat, including the online mode students. And do remember, we have a team of more than 250 valuationers who work from home, who work on work from home basis, who work from home basis dedicatedly for CA and CMA courses, and they're well trained and they're well monitored as well. Not just they're well trained, they're also well monitored. My dear students, in case if you take an admission in physical mode, you will also be given an additional supporting service. What is that supporting service, sir? We even play the guidance videos which are recorded by our team of faculty and of course by our academic head, Mr. Prakash sir. He is also having an association of more than 25 years with a course called CA. And of course, wherever possible, we even conduct the motivation classes to be dealt by directors team like Prakash sir and of course by me as well. In addition to the descriptive examinations, we also conduct the examinations exclusively on MCQ modes. And in case of CA final, I repeat, in case of CA final, those who take admission under physical mode will be given complimentary rapid revision batch videos for two subjects worth 2000 rupees each. Worth 2000 rupees each is absolutely a great value addition, and details will be given in the classroom. And in case of CA intern, those who take admission in physical mode, you will be given rapid revision batch videos as a free complimentary. So rapid revision batch videos is nothing but the videos where you can finish your subject, where you can finish the revision of your entire subject within 20 to 25 hours. Within 20 to 25 hours. So by just spending 20 to 25 hours, you can revise the entire subject. You can revise the entire subject. So in case if you take admission for both groups, you will be given access to both groups rapid revision videos In case you take admission for a single group, you'll be given access to that particular group rapid revision videos. In case you are a student of residential mode, instead of giving the videos access, we are going to play them. We are going to play them to a sophisticated equipment in AV room, audio, video, visual room. We play them in a classroom. We call it as AV room. And in addition to conducting the studies, we do even monitor your performance. How we are going to monitor your performance? I'll tell you a simple example. Suppose you have been given admission in a campus. In that campus, we are going to allot the batch in charges, and they're and they're headed by campus in charges, and they're headed by admin and academic principal. So you are monitored by the following few non-teaching staff members. So in case if you don't attend the studies and studies or revision examinations on any particular day, you're going to get a reminder call, and even we are going to intimate the same to your parents as well. Of course, some of you may not like this, but we particularly give more importance to our system or give more importance to our discipline rather than rather than rather than any other thing. Our first priority is discipline. Our first priority is system. And we try to provide supporting faculty for counseling of the probable failures. See, and how many number of examinations we are going to conduct? In case of CA Enter, we are going to conduct 96 exams in case of both groups and say 44 examinations in case of single group, including pre-finals. Whereas in case of CA final, we are going to conduct 42 revision examinations in case of both groups and 38 revision examinations for single group students, including pre-finals, And my dear students, majority of the students after finishing the services under the academic program by name Studies and Revision Examination batches will definitely appreciate, for sure they appreciate the dynamics of our question paper. Our asset is our question paper. Let me be very honest. We give a separate booklet to the faculty for preparing the question paper and suggestions. So for preparing the question paper and suggestion answers, we have given some guidelines, and that guidelines will run into several pages, and we have made it as a booklet. So for preparation of the question paper itself, we have designed many guidelines, and that runs into several pages, and we have made it as a book. So that's a kind of care we take while preparing the question papers and suggestion answers. See, it's not just a matter of copy paste. Picking some old examination questions and preparing a new examination question paper is a very routine it's a very routine thing, and we don't do such kind of routine things. Definitely we put a lot of efforts, and we do a lot of research, and we prepare the question papers afresh. And I just told you, we put a lot of efforts. If apart from that, we do verification of the question papers and suggestion answers in three levels. We do verification of the question papers and suggestion answers in three levels. So that the standards of these question papers and suggestion answers are in par with the public examinations. My dear students, apart from attending the studies and revision examination batches, I even recommend the students to follow one more important advice. I'll tell you. Attending the studies and revision examinations is not a one-stop solution. Say, for example, I'm a student. I'm not comfortable with respect to accountancy of CA Inter or CA Final. In such a case, what I need to do is attending the revision examinations is not a one-stop solution. Is not a one-stop solution. It may not be an apt solution. May not heal the problem. May not a proper remedy. What I need to do is, in addition to attending the revision examinations, I need to attend the coaching classes for that particular subject, if possible, in online. Since I've been attending the classes, Sorry, since I've been attending the study hours and revision examination batches in offline mode, the only possibility is to attend the coaching classes for that particular subject in online mode. So I strongly advise the students to even take care of this issue. Unless you attend the coaching classes for that particular subject where you are not strong, you may not find it appropriate, you may not find it fruitful by taking admission into study hours and revision examination batches. Unless, my dear students, unless you fill that vacuum. For example, I just told you I'm not comfortable with accountancy. Unless I fill that vacuum, how am I going to qualify? Even by appearing in several examinations, after appearing several examinations, that is not going to repair the damage. But but by attending the coaching classes in online mode for that particular subject, definitely there'll be a remarkable change. So I strongly advise the students of CA final and as well as CA inter students kindly look into this matter. Don't neglect. So mere attending the study hours and revision examination batches is not a remedy for many such students. And as a matter of support to our students community, both for CA inter as well as for CA final students, we are offering additional discount. Additional discount. Absolutely additional discount. There's no magic and I'm not bluffing. I'm not bluffing. There's no magic and I'm not bluffing. See, some people, what they do is they'll inflate the fees and they offer additional discount. I'm not doing that. What are the fees that we are charging for outsiders is different from what are the fees what are the fees that we charge for insiders. I mean to say our students who are attending for the study hours and revision examination batches physically. So we offer an additional discount both at CA final and CA interlevel would like to take coaching classes on subject-wise basis. On subject-wise basis. So this is in addition to the discount that we offer in general to the outsiders. So just to support our students. And we even offer a concept called a facility called extended study hours, where the students are even permitted to study from morning 6:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. and even from night 10 p.m. to 12 p.m. And it is absolutely left to the choice of the students. It is optional, and right now it is available only at Guntur campus. And the new revolution, why should I call it as a revolution, since many other players are also have also started following our strategy. I'm calling this as a new revolution. What is that new revolution, sir? It is called CRS, complete residential system, where both the study campus and the hostel will be in the same premises, and students can even study up to morning 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. without any security issue, without any security issues. And one more added advantage is we are going to place a lot of restrictions on the usage of cell phones in these campuses. So we have two kinds of hostels. One, CRS, complete residential system, and the second one is the normal residential system. Normal residential system. So in case of CRS, you will be permitted to use the cell phones only in between 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Only in between 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. And that too only to watch your online classes or to attend your office mails. So, and you will be given a separate room. You will be given a separate room, a dedicated room where you are permitted to watch your cell phones, where you are permitted to use your cell phones. So you are not even permitted to use your cell phones in your own study room or in your own hostel room. So we are going to dedicate a room where the students are permitted to make use of their cell phones, that too in between 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. only. And my dear students, what is the fees that we are going to charge us for coaching classes, which includes both the study hours and revision examinations put together? We are going to charge 15,000. If I'm right, it is 15,000. And let me repeat, and the fee that we are going to charge in case of online batches is 6,000 for both groups and 5,000 for single group. Whereas in case of offline mode, for a service of morning 8 a.m. to night 9 p.m., which includes the services for a period of 3 months, 3 months plus 10 days approximately, we are just charging 15,000 rupees, which amounts to nearly less than 5,000 rupees per month. My dear, My dear, since it's going to be summer, it's going to be a summer season. We have made available AC facility in majority of the cases. So whatever the fees that we are charging is for the services that we are offer, and we are not charging anything additional for AC as well. And coming to hostel, as I just told you, hostel facility is available in two modes. One, the normal hostel facility. Second one, normal residential facility. The second one, CRS, complete residential system. In case of CRS, we are going to charge 7,000 rupees per month, and in case of normal residential system, we are going to charge 6,600 rupees per month. This includes Adobe charges of 400 rupees per month. Includes the Adobe charges of 400 rupees per month. And please do note that we are going to have separate batch for CMA final and CMA inter studies and revision examination batches soon after the announcement of the CMA results. As you all know that the examinations for the CMA inter and CMA final have just completed. And one more thing I'd like to share with all of you. We have exclusive Telegram facility for CA and CMA inter students, for CA and CMA final students, and for CA and CMA foundation students. So what's the purpose of this Telegram group? It is absolutely dedicated for doubts clarification. And I'm going to leave the link of the respective Telegram groups in the description of this video. You may please join. Irrespective of the admission into masterminds, whether you're going to join into masterminds or not, it's a different issue. Irrespective of that, you will be given the free doubts clarification services. If you post a doubt in this Telegram group, within a reasonable time, we are going to contact our faculty member, and we are going to get the appropriate answer, and we are going to update you the same. And you can reach our help team members at 9885125001 and 03. And of course, if you want to talk to me, you can also reach me at msnmohan2013 @gmail.com. And my dear students, please do note that if you want to reach me, you please leave your contact number also. You please drop your contact number also in the mail itself, so that if required, I'll make a call in person to you. And I may take another 5 to 10 minutes. I may take another 5 to 10 minutes. Uh, the comparison table is the most important discussion in this entire video or in this entire document. The comparison between the studyverse and revision examination services that we offer in the name under the brand name called Masterminds, and the studyverse and revision examination services that in general the unstructured institutions like study halls and libraries may offer. See, I'm not against to libraries and study halls. In fact, there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong in that style of operation. My personal opinion is study halls and libraries are more relevant for competitive students. Those who are preparing for the competitive examinations, they may find it suitable. Whereas for a course like CA or CMA, study halls and libraries are self-style preparation, or self-preparation, or own preparation is absolutely not recommended. In fact, these study halls and libraries, they are doing their level best, but they are not suitable for our courses. The fact is, they are not suitable for our courses. Let me continue. See, in case of masterminds, in case of our study halls, or in case of our classrooms, only the students of CA or CMA courses will be accommodated. And in particular, in majority of the campuses, either only CA inter students or only CA final students will be allotted. So there's no question of any kind of distraction. Whereas in case of study halls, apart from the students of CA course or CMA course, students of any other course may also sit along with you. That may disturb your study environment. And there'll be fixed timings. There'll be fixed timings in case of mastermind study awards and revision examination batches. You're supposed to enter into the campus by morning 8 a.m. and you'll be permitted to leave the campus only by 9 p.m. night. Similar restrictions may not be imposed in case of study halls and libraries, and it is absolutely left to your choice. Unless you have a self-discipline, unless you have a self-discipline, you may not even attend these study halls at libraries regularly as well. Even if you attend these study halls regularly, you may not have a time punctuality. You may not follow a fixed timetable. Sorry. And soon after taking admission into mastermind studyverse and revision examinations, you will be shared with a schedule, whereas the same is not possible in case of the unstructured preparation, otherwise called as study halls and libraries. And we do conduct the revision examinations on weekly twice basis, and we do valuation of those answer sheets, and we even share your performance reports, and we even share the suggested answers immediately after completion of your examination. All these four major facilities, I repeat, all these major supporting services are absolutely missing in case of study halls or the so-called libraries, otherwise called as unstructured preparation. And we are trying our level best. I'm not sure of this, but we are trying our level best to provide you supporting faculty to counsel the probable failures which may not be available in case of study halls or libraries. And we even conduct the motivation classes and even conduct the guidance classes, nothing but additional supporting service for the students of CA and CMA course. You may have a doubt. So what is your eligibility to guide the students of CA and CMA course? I'm not a BCom graduate. I'm not a MCom graduate. I'm a chartered accountant by profession, and I have an experience of more than 25 years with this course. Even equally, my academic head, Prakash sir, is also having an experience of more than 25 years. So this is not an organization headed by graduates. This is an organization headed by chartered accountants. Your mentorship will be monitored by chartered accountants, dedicated chartered accountants, team of chartered accountants. And another complementary service is we are going to provide the rapid revision batch videos. I already discussed the same, whereas the same is absolutely missing in case of study halls. And 20 plus years of experience in institution mastermind. We have started in way back in 2002. And by this time, we have completed 20 years of experience. This may not be available in case of study halls or unstructured institution. See, what is the fees difference? We are charging 15,000 rupees, including all. There is no other hidden fees. It is including all. In case of study halls, they may charge 1,500 to 2,000 rupees, or in case of unstructured libraries, they may charge 1,500 to 2,000. Nothing wrong in that. Definitely, it is absolutely very much affordable fees. But for the services they are rendering, you need to consider the services they are rendering, not the fees that they are charging. So how much we are charging? 15,000 rupees. It is less than 1 week of your salary if you qualify in the first attempt, or if you're going to qualify in the next attempt, the immediate next attempt, May 2000. Let us suppose that you have been granted a salary of 60 to 70,000 rupees per month as an initial package. So what are the fees that we are charging? 15,000 rupees is just your 1 week salary. And what is the difference between the fees that we charge and the fees that is being charged by study halls? It is approximately 8 to 10,000 rupees. You please consider the marginal costing. Just consider the marginal costing. When you take a decision to join into masterminds, you don't count the entire 15,000 rupees. Just count the difference of 8 to 7,000 between the fees that is being charged by masterminds and the fees that is being charged by unstructured institution. If for a petty amount of 7 to 8,000, why should you take risk? Why should you take risk? Are you not dirt intelligent? Are you not dirt intelligent? And the last one, what are the differences between the masterminds test series and some other test series? Some other test series that are available in the market. See, we are ours as an institution backed by physical study awards and revision examination batches. Not just the physical study awards and revision examination batches. Ours is an institution backed by the physical coaching classes as well. In such a case, we'll be having a good number of team members who is having an expertise knowledge in preparing materials, giving lectures, I mean to say, taking classes and preparing the question papers. Well, that is a major advantage. We just don't confine ourselves to offering 30% revision examinations, as otherwise called as test series. Our share of income, our share of income from test series is very minor compared to the coaching classes that we offer. And this is only a service that we offer. This is not the major service, or this is not the only service that we offer. It's not the only service that we offer. And we give a schedule in case of mastermind test series, and we give that schedule on upfront basis, so which consists of the areas to be prepared, that the chapters to be prepared on day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, etc., 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 etc. That may not be available in case of many test series that are available in market. And consider the standard that we follow while preparing the question paper itself. As I just told earlier, we give a booklet to the team members who are concerned with preparing the question papers. See, for preparing the question paper itself, we give a booklet containing the guidelines or the rules and regulations which a team member is supposed to follow. And we give a booklet containing the rules and regulations to be followed by the team members while preparing the suggested answers for those question papers, which may not be available, in case of many test series that are available in market. And we don't go for repetition of the question papers. See, I've been told by the students that in case of some test series, now I don't say that, I don't want to lie that it is happening with majority of the test series or it's happening with all the test series, but it's happening with some of the test series where they provide the test series at a very nominal fees of 3,000 or 2,000 or 4,000 or 5,000 rupees itself. And of course, they are repeating the question, they're just repeating the question papers of the earlier attempts. Suppose they are selling the test series for May 2023 examination. Surprisingly, these are nothing but the test series of earlier attempts like November 2019 or May 2020, etc. It will never happen with master. Never happen with master. And in majority of the test series, just conduct the examination. They just share the question paper, and you need to appear for the examinations on your own. Of course, same is the case with masterminds also. But the thing is, we will do the valuation services also, and we share the valuation report also, and we even share the suggested answers immediately after completion of the exam. Is that not a unique feature which is missing with many test series? Yeah, absolutely. It is missing with many test series. And apart from the examinations in descriptive mode, we even conduct the exclusive examinations for MCQ mode as well. And who is your mentor? Again, the same question. Prakash sir, a senior academician in the South India, having an experience of having an association with this course called CA for more than 21 years. He qualified way back in 2002. And as a student of this course, he's having an association of more than 4 years. In total, it is more than 25 years of experience. And not just Prakash sir, we have many other faculty team members and many other senior academicians. We have been involved in preparing these question papers and materials since from several years, which is more than 10 years as well in many cases. And an institution by name Masterminds, that itself is a great asset. We started in way back in 2002. So ours is an institution having more than 20 years of experience, which may not be possible with many of the test series that are available in market. And due to busy schedule, please do excuse me, due to busy schedule, I'm attaching another video with this video containing the achievements that we have at CA inter level and CA final level. Please do excuse me, and God bless you. God bless you all the best. Hope you will clear the upcoming May 2023 examinations with flying colors. God bless you.
Before I conclude, I just want to share few of the details of the few of our important achievements. One is the 2022 CA final results, the ranks that have been secured by our students in 2022 CA final results. In 2021 results, these are the following ranks that have been secured by our students at CA final level in 2021 results. And the ranks that have been secured by our students in 2020 CA final results, which includes the All India first rank. And near about 49 All India ranks have been secured by our students in the last 5 years of CA final examinations, which amounts to an average of 10 ranks each year, which is very, very, very substantial. And thanks to all these students, we don't want to claim the credit. In fact, the entire credit goes to these students. In fact, the entire credit goes to these students. We don't want to claim any kind of credit in these kind of achievements. And the following are the single digit ranks that have been secured by our students in the last 3 years. That is in 2018, 19 and 20. So All India first rank, All India fourth rank and All India ninth rank. And coming to CMA final, two of our students have secured All India first rank in the recently declared results, one in 2020 and another one in 2021. 2020, Guru Bhaskar has secured All India first rank in CMA final, and Nikhil has secured CMA final All India first rank in 2021, and Govardhan has secured All India second rank in 2022 CMA final results. And these are the details of the ranks that have been secured by our students in CMA Inter and CMA final results that have been declared on 27th of September 2022. It's a victory never before in the history of masterminds, and it's just like a one-man show. You'll be surprised to know that. Near about 86 All India ranks have been secured in CMA Inter, which includes All India first, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, etc. And near about 39 All India ranks have been secured in CMA final, which includes All India second, third, etc. etc. And put together, 125 students are secured All India ranks in CMA Inter and CMA final level, including All India first and second. So absolutely, let me repeat that. Absolutely, the entire credit goes to the students community. In no way we want to take the credit of these achievements. My dear students, of course, the latest images are not readily available with me, so that's the reason I have come forward with the old images. So this is the testimonial of the achievements of the masterminds, not just the ranks, but also the passouts. So near about 941 students are secured. Near about 941 students are qualified, either both groups or single groups, in 2020 January results alone from masterminds. And we have published the details like the student name, hall ticket number, etc. in the masterminds official Facebook page. You can even find it now, which runs into near about 30 pages, 27 plus 3, 30 pages. So list of the students, there are about 941 students have been published, containing the list of the students who qualified alone from masterminds in just one attempt, January 2020 results, either in both groups or single group. It sounds so big. 941 is definitely, absolutely a very big number. Very significant number. Coming to the photo session. See, because of the corona, we haven't conducted any photo sessions in the recent batches. So the latest photo session visuals that are available with me is the May 2019 and November 2019 session. After that, because of the corona rules and regulations and the guidelines and the SOPs, the standard operating procedures, we had discontinued the process of conducting the photo sessions in May 2020 session, November 2020 session, as well as May 2021 session, November 2021 session. And so anyhow, let me share the old photo containing the details of the batches that we had alone at Guntur. I repeat, alone at Guntur in May 2029 and November 2019 photo batches or sessions. And we have near about 41 batches. Alone for CF final, which includes the study hours and revision exam batches, and of course the regular batches, I mean to say the coaching classes. And because of the lockdown that has been imposed in March 2020, we haven't taken the photo session, or we haven't conducted the photo session for near about 11 such batches. So in total, we have 41 batches, and we are able to share the photos of near about 30 such batches. 30 such batches. And it sounds so great. 41 batches for CF final is absolutely a very big number, which may not be possible even at cities like Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai for many institutions. Okay, my dear students, let me continue. Now it has become a sentiment for many students. Now Guntur has become a sentiment for many students, and Guntur has now become a quota of Rajasthan. a quota of Rajasthan. All you know that, I think all of you know that quota of Rajasthan is very much famous for IIT aspirants. Now Guntur has become very much famous in South India for CA and CMA aspirants. So now Guntur has become a sentiment for qualifying CA or CMA finals. And this is a message that is been, repeat, this is a message that has been shared by one of our students after he qualified his CA final in the recently declared results. That was probably on 21st or 20th of July 2022. One such campus where the CA final, the classes or the study and revision examinations will be conducted. And of course, we have several such campuses at Guntur, Central Office Guntur. And we are not just the leaders in offline mode, we are also leaders, we are also the national leaders in online mode also. As you all know that we have been providing our online coaching services and our online revision examination services through Class Plus app, which is a leading edtech company on pan-India basis. To my knowledge, they have been offering similar kind of services to 15 to 20,000 educational institutions on pan-India basis. And our institute by name Masterminds stood in the top three. Stood in the top three. We have been selected as a top three educators across the nation for providing online coaching classes and online revision examinations for the students of CA and CMA courses. And my dear students, let me request you, before you take a decision, before you want to take a decision whether to join in Masterminds or not, please don't give more importance to our ranks. Rather than our ranks, please give more importance to our dedication, experience, the quality that we deliver. We have started in year 2020. We have started in year 2002, and we have been offering various services to the students community of CA and CMA courses uninterruptedly since from more than 20 years. You please consider our experience, dedication, quality rather than the ranks that have been secured by our students. And you can find many free content. You can find many free videos, otherwise called as free content, in Mastermind's official YouTube channel. And we have crossed a landmark of 50 lakh views. I'll just show you a simple example. You can see this. Near about 20 free videos are available with respect to FR, SFM, or SFM, FR, or auditing, or law classes. And all these content are available at free of cost. Not just these 20 videos, there are many such videos. And apart from that, there are many motivational videos useful for CA and CMA students. And I just told you, our channel have crossed a landmark of 50 lakh views. And recently we have even started an exclusive channel in English, which is exclusively meant for North Indian students, and only the English content will be uploaded in that Masterminds for CA and CMA English channel.